Come down here, general. Okay, for my testing here, what I intend doing now is this. I want to place order so that you will see how it's configured to work. One here, I'm picking up a sauce and cheese. 2. Then vegetable pizza. 2. Then I'm moving down to kitchen item. I need fried rice. 2.
Rice?
Yeah.
Fried rice, 2.
Jollof rice. 2.
Jollof rice, how many?
2.
And what?
Okay, that is kitchen item. Then I need the shawarma.
How many?
Shawarma, you have 2 types of shawarma, so I want to go there.
I have chicken shawarma plates.
Oh yeah.
I have this shawarma plate.
Okay, 2 of them. 2.
Okay, and what again?
Okay, now I need drink.
Drink.
I need drink. Which of the drink do you have?
I have, at the moment I have mango pineapple.
Okay, I need 2.
Mango 2, pineapple 2.
Yes. Now.
Finish.
Yes. Now what we have done here now is this. We have configured the system. The request I request now, suppose we print here because what we are printing is a docket. And this is how the waitress will come to you and present it to you. Since they are not placing the order by themselves in the system, if they are placing the order by themselves, we are supposed to configure the printer to print out. The kitchen printer will print out from the kitchen. The one for shawarma will print out in the shawarma, and the one for bakery will print out in bakery, and the one for the drink will print out in drink session. But since we decided to use only one printer to do this, we have also configured that the system will demarcate them, will print them separate. One printer do the job of 3 printers supposed to do, or 4 printers supposed to do. So now we are going to look at it. You place the order as one single transaction. Check the system.
It's 9 access.
Use another board. Use anyone here. Okay, 3 items is what come out here. So this is the docket for the kitchen. This is the docket for shawarma, and this is a docket for the drink. Now the one that did not come out is the one.
No, please. Shawarma chicken plate and shawarma beef plate came to the drink aspect. It's supposed to go to the shawarma.
Remember, I told you to work and separate. You have not done separating them.
You did.
You did?
Yeah.
So you have to check again. Once you did not set it up to print out in the right printer, it will print in a different printer. So you have to check it again and be sure that every product, wait, leave this one, we'll complete our teaching now. Then you can separate that later, one after the other. So what you'll see here now, these are different transactions. And since we are using one single printer, it separated everything. So all they need to do now is to take this in and go and give them. Each session, they will start preparing the order. But if I have printer in those sessions, it will go there and print automatically in those sessions. You understand? Okay. So now, we are done with this. And this, assume that they are printed out in their session, they will start preparing it. And now that the whole thing is printed, now the waitress is the one that will go there. If you watch this bucket, you see the name of the waitress. If the waitress, they are the one that placed the order by themselves, this thing would have printed out in their session. So they will know the particular waitress that placed the order here. But now as it is here, what we are going to do is that they will just take it here. They will handle their transaction in each of those places. Thank you. Now, if the person finished taking this and demand for bill, let me see. Come here, let's see the system. Okay. Okay, this is it. Then print out the bill. This is your bill here. This is a different table you choose. So let's print the bill.
As you mean.
Which printer? This is the table you use. So you printed a different bill. This is the one you use that time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one. You click your bill, then you go ahead and print.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now this is the bill you are going to take to the customer for them to pay when they demand for their bill. Is this. Now when the customer, sometimes you go to them and they demand they want a split. They are going to return some item back. Do you understand? Then you do what we call. Okay, I will end this recording here now. We'll continue that one.